Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that how much lag we should include in our model while estimating VAR, VECM and Granger causality test. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss the second method for the lag selection criteria. So for that we have to bring our data from Excel to STATA file. As I have copied all of my data from Excel, now go to data editor and paste all your data here. Then go to statistics, then go to multivariate time series and go to vector auto regression. Here you have to select all of your variables, then go to time setting and select time variable as year, and as my data set is in yearly, so I am going with this option yearly. Then click on OK. So here first of all we have to include two lags and let's see what is the results. So when you have included two lags, you have to write down the values of AIC. So when we have included two lags, so AIC value is, so we have to see the AIC value. AIC value is 7.39. AIC value is 7.39. So AIC value is 7.39 at lag 2. And then we have to repeat this procedure again, and we have to increase the number of lags. Now we are taking 3 lags, and again we have to see the AIC value at this time as well. So at this time AIC value is 7.56, and repeat this again: multivariate analysis, a vector auto regression, then increase lag to 5, and again you have to see the AIC values. So you have to take those lags at which AIC value is minimum. So you have to repeat again and again this test, and you have to write down these AIC values and the point where AIC value is minimum. For example, you have taken 2 lags and you have write down the AIC value, then you have taken 3 lags, you have write down the AIC value, then you have taken 4 lags and you have write down the AIC values, and to goes on. And the point where AIC value is at minimum point. For example, let's say when you have taken 5 lags, at that point AIC value is minimum. So this concluded that you have to take 5 lags. So you have to run VEC VAR model, and then you have to see or write down the AIC values. The point where AIC value is at minimum point, at that point that is the decision point that how much lag you should include in your model. So these are the two methods for the lag selection criteria.